Okay, today we're making a 16 bean soup. So I'm going to make this in the Insta-Pot, and this is a 16 bean soup starter. It does not come with a seasoning packet, so I'm going to add my own seasoning. First thing you want to do with dry beans is rinse them and inspect them to make sure there's no sticks or stones. There's a couple different ways of rinsing them. You can soak them. Honestly, I found with the Insta-Pot, it's not necessary. I just rinse them off a few times like so and never had a problem. Once they're rinsed off, I'll put them back in the Insta-Pot. I'm going to add a carton of vegetable broth, the whole carton. And then I'm going to fill up that carton with water and then dump that water into the Insta-Pot. Now for the seasoning, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, some fresh ground black pepper, some smoked paprika, about a tablespoon, teaspoon to a tablespoon, depending on your taste preference, and a little bit of garlic powder, again about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. You could do real garlic instead of garlic powder. I got some onion left over in the fridge, so I'm going to chop that up and throw it in there. If you don't like onion, you can omit the onion. And of course, you can chop up some baby carrots if you wanted to, or some celery to add to this. That'd be nice. Or other seasonings that you like. So we're going to put it in the Insta-Pot. And lock the lid, and I'm going to set it for 90 minutes on high. You could use the soup setting or the bean setting. Okay, it's been 90 minutes. We're going to release the vent, open the vent, and release the pressure. Now it's safe to open. Let's see what we got. Looks pretty good, but it's still going to need about another 20 minutes on low heat. The beans aren't quite as soft as I want them to be just yet. I'll give you a look. Almost done. So again, we'll put it on the soup, adjust it down to the low heat for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Be careful you don't burn yourself on the steam when you're using an Insta-Pot. Yeah, this looks a lot better now. All the beans are nice and soft. Give you a closer look. Woo! I hope this information helps you. Let me know if you like this recipe or if you make your bean soup with different ingredients. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.